Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Paymaster by Payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Paymaster by Payouts, begin by logging into your Paymaster account. Navigate to the main dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the withdraw option in the menu. Click on the withdraw button to proceed. You will see a list of withdrawal methods available to you. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the options listed. If applicable, enter the required payment details for your selected method. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the withdrawal fees associated with your choice, if any. Once you confirm the amount, click on the Submit button. You may be required to verify your identity before the withdrawal is processed. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary verification steps. After submission, wait for a confirmation message indicating your request has been received. The processing time for withdrawals may vary based on your chosen method. You will receive an email notification once your withdrawal is approved. Check your account to ensure the funds have been transferred successfully. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Paymaster's customer support for assistance. Keep a record of your transaction for future reference. Now you have successfully withdrawn from Paymaster by Payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.